Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a super delicious recipe that looks so impressive, but is actually really easy to make. And trust me, once you see the final cheesy roll-up, you're going to want to stay until the very end. Start by cracking 3 fresh eggs into a large mixing bowl. Whisk them really well until the yolks and whites are fully combined and nice and smooth. Now take a peeled potato and grate it finely. This is what gives our base that soft texture while still keeping it hearty and satisfying. Add the grated potato into the eggs and mix it well so everything starts coming together. Next, finely dice a fresh white onion into small, even pieces. Add part of the chopped onion into the bowl. This is going to give the egg mixture so much more flavor. Now take some red and yellow bell peppers and chop them into small cubes. These little pops of color make the whole dish look beautiful, and they add such a fresh sweetness too. Add the peppers into the bowl and give everything a really good mix. Now add a spoonful of flour to help bind everything together. Then season with salt and black pepper. Mix it again until all the ingredients are evenly combined. At this point, it already looks colorful and so good, but wait until you see what we do with it next. Pour the mixture onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and spread it out into a thin, even layer. Now slide it into the oven and bake it until it's set and lightly golden. This is going to become the soft, flexible layer we'll roll later, so don't skip this part. While that's baking, let's make the filling. Heat a little oil in a pan and sauté the rest of your chopped onions until they soften and smell amazing. Now cut a chicken breast into small, bite-sized cubes. Add the chicken into the pan with the onions. Then season with turmeric and salt. The color and aroma here are already so good. Stir fry everything until the chicken is cooked through and starts to turn lightly golden. Then add the remaining bell peppers and give it one more toss. This adds freshness, texture, and that beautiful colorful look inside the rolls. Keep cooking for another minute or two until the filling smells incredible and the chicken is perfectly golden brown. Now take the baked egg sheet out of the oven and cut it into long, wide strips. This is the part where everything starts coming together, and it looks so satisfying. Add a generous spoonful of the chicken filling to the end of each strip, then carefully roll them up one by one. Top each roll with shredded cheese because this is what takes the whole recipe to the next level. Put them back into the oven for a few more minutes until the cheese melts beautifully and gets all bubbly on top. Finish with a little drizzle of cream and some fresh parsley for that extra touch. Now they're ready. And when you cut one open, you can see that juicy, colorful, cheesy filling inside. So delicious and honestly so worth it. Enjoy your meal!